How are you? Good. Yeah, it's recording. Good morning, welcome back to the channel. So I'm gonna head out to the water. All the divers are already out there. I wanna do a little bit of swimming, check out what's going on down there. When I get back, I'll explain what's happening for the day. All right, let's head out. Welcome back to the video. Thanks again for joining. My name is Alan from Bohol is Awesome. We just got back from our first fun dive. We're here at Bohol Bee Farm. We're here with the Blue Freedom Apnea crew. They're here doing a free event for everybody. So basically it's a full day of a little bit of lecturing, some fun dives, some free dive sessions, as well as some yoga a little bit later on. Today should be pretty fun whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced freediver. It's always great to get in the water with other people that are more experienced than you and learn a few things and get more comfortable in the water. So why don't we check out the first lecture. It's going to be all about safety, and then after that we're going to have a little bit of lunch, another lecture, and then we're back in the water. I'll see you in a little bit. Lunch is served already. All right, we're off to a second dive. I'll see you in the water. So that was another really fun dive. That was the second dive of the day. Everybody else has gone up, but why don't we take the drone for a quick spin first? right, let's head back up. We can check on the yoga session. Alright guys, it's time for me to head home. I couldn't stay for the yoga session, but I wanted to give a shout out and thanks to Blue Freedom Apnea. Really great day. We really had a lot of fun, and I hope to see you guys if you can make it for the next one. I think they're planning to do it every Monday, but we'll see how it goes. Check their Facebook page. I'll put all their links below. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next video.